the agave, the olive oil, salt and pepper, and a little bit of homegrown basil that I dried and ground. And at the end, I will mix up the evaporated milk, which will turn it into a creamy vinaigrette. And everything is to taste. I would say it's probably a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of salt, a little couple of shakes of basil, a couple of shakes of pepper, and I would probably say maybe 3 tablespoons of vinegar and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And the agave is probably, I want to say, maybe 4 tablespoons of agave. And then tonight when my guests arrive, I will put my butter that is in there, and I will pour the evaporated milk over it and toss it, and salad will be served.